Good afternoon, friends. In this CSS tutorial series, we will learn a very important topic, that is how to use link in HTML website using CSS. So this is an HTML boilerplate. Let's create some navigation menu. UL li a anchor tag hash home. Let us now make few more nav menu, home, about, services, portfolio, another one. By this time you know how to duplicate a line. Alt shift down arrow. So save it. Now open in live server. We see this is the navigation menu, but we have to style it using CSS. How? Let us link CSS. CSS is linked. UL li. Inside the UL, we will style the link item, a list item. So list, first remove the bullet, list style type none. See, the bullet marks is removed. Now from anchor item lia text, remove the underline. See, there is some underline. Okay, let me keep it one side. This is another side. Keep it side by side. Why not? List style type, text decoration, make it smaller, make it more smaller. Text decoration, we'll remove underline. Text decoration now. See, the underline is removed. Now float left, margin so if text decoration none, we have removed the underline. Float, if we use left, see, it is displayed in line. Float left means first one is left, will place in the left side, then the right side will be clear, the next element will come to the right side, and the right side of that will be clear, the next navigation menu will come. So this way we will use float left. Margin 5 pixel, we use margin 5 pixel. Border 1 pixel solid red, we have used border radius 5 pixel. Text align center, but see, the font was just in the line, so let's use some padding means it will push a space outside from the content. A space will be created outside of the content. So padding 5 pixel. Let's see. Now the space is created outside of the content. BGC background color light gray. Background color has been given light gray. Font color blue. Font color has been given blue. So now this is LIA. Okay, A visited, A link color will be white. Let's see. A visited. Let's see visited. If we visit, A hover color. Let us change hover color. Font color black. Hover font color black. Background color BGC background color light blue. If you hover it, background color changed, font color becomes black. So this way we can create navigation menu with link, anchor tag, and style it accordingly. Thank you very much for watching. Let me show you another one thing. If I want to move this nav menu to the right side, what we can do, we can use float right. See, now it is moved to the right side. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hope you have liked this video. Please subscribe my channel and like and share my video. Thank you very much.